Today, we're gonna look into a few situations in practice and shed some more light on how to work with indicators from my previous videos. In order to do that, I've recorded a few trades with their in-depth technical analysis. So leave comments about what indicators you've made use of most frequently, and let's start.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
And let's start. Okay, so what do we see on the first chart? There is a downtrend and three indicators that suggest one thing, that the market is going to go further down. Why so? Here is the CCI that indicates that the price has reached the overbought zone, yet MACD and stochastic lines indicate a nearing turnaround. So let's pinpoint the trend line and make sure of it. The candlesticks have already disassociated with it and begun following the corridor down. So we buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes and wait. Going forward, we see a strong corridor downward. So we pinpoint the level of resistance the market is going towards. So let's take our time and wait till the candlesticks reach that target. It's very dangerous to make our move before that happens. While I was analyzing other charts, this one has reached this level of resistance and already begun its steep decline. But as it is still following the corridor we pinpointed, we still have some time to make the move. So we buy a put option expiring in 10 minutes. The alligator helped me out with finding this next entry point, but we've already noticed a curve on the 1 minute time frame indicating a turnaround. Let's switch to the 5 minute time frame, and what we see here is not a familiar pattern, the double impulse. There's one impulse, then comes the consolidation, and then other strong impulse. All of this further proves that the market is to go down just about till the level of consolidation. So we buy a put option that expires in 10 minutes and wait. My next move was based on the vortex indicator. The lines don't make any sudden movements, while the green one gradually swaps with the red one. They form up a repeating pattern, so we can be sure that the green one will soon dominate over the red one, and the market will go up. So we pinpoint the level of support the market will go towards and wait. And as soon as it reaches this zone, we buy a call option expiring in 5 minutes. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.